Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to change your Roblox region. Okay, let's start the video. Don't skip the video. Follow my all steps. Click on Roblox app. Click on more. Click on help and safety. Click on help. Search account location. Click on account location. Click on support from. Fill up this form carefully. Name, full name, Gmail, again Gmail, phone type, Android phone, click on how to. How to change my location. Description. Click on continue. If you are Roblox friends, then subscribe the channel, get the next update. Thank you. By doing this process, you can easily change your Roblox region. Thank you guys.